Good morning, everyone. So, how are we today? I hope everyone is fine. Okay, so today we are going to write the date first of all. So, today is Thursday, the 30th of April, 2020, right? And today we are going to start learning something new. Okay, look at the title. Today we are learning about idioms. Okay, about idioms. And what are idioms? Anyone knows what are idioms? Because listen carefully. Idioms are not languages, okay? An idiom is not the same as a language, okay? No. So, let's pay attention. Idioms are common sayings. Common sayings that we use in everyday language, okay? And these sayings, these sentences, okay, have a figurative meaning. A figurative meaning. What does this mean? That the meaning is not literal. Is not literal. Okay, so we don't have to take the meaning of these sentences literally. Okay? Anyway, we are going to have a look and see some examples for you to understand better. Okay? Examples. Let's go for it. So, here is the first example. Let's have a look at it. Look, let me change the color. Okay, so the first example is this exercise is a piece of cake. Okay, and look at the exercise. 2 plus 2 equals what? So here we have the idiom a piece of cake. And according to the exercise, what do you think a piece of cake means? This idiom, what do you think this means? That the exercise is very easy. Very good. So, a piece of cake is an idiom that means very easy. Okay? Do we understand? Good. Okay, so let's go for another example. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! It's raining cats and dogs. Wow, look at that! It's raining cats and dogs. And look at the cloud here. Ooh. So, is it real that it's raining cats and dogs? No, of course not. Okay? So what do you think, according to the picture, to the cloud, what do you think this means? What do you think it's raining cats and dogs means? That it's raining a lot. Very good. So if I say it's raining cats and dogs, it means that it's raining a lot. Okay? Okay, let's go for a different example now. Okay. Let's go for this example. Vegetables are not my cup of tea. Okay? Vegetables are not my cup of tea. What does this mean? Let me draw here a face. Okay, according to the face, what do you think are not my cup of tea mean? Do you think you like vegetables or not? No, okay? So, when something is not your cup of tea, it means that you don't like it. Okay? When something is not your cup of tea means that you don't like it. Good? Excellent. Okay. Another example now. So, Mark is a couch potato. Okay? And we have this here, a couch potato, because look at Mark. Look at Mark. Mark is all the time. Look at this. Here is Mark. Okay, so what is Mark doing all the time? Mark is all the time watching TV. Okay, and we can say doing nothing. Doing nothing at the sofa, okay? All the time lying down on the sofa, doing nothing, watching TV, no sports, okay? Nothing. So he's a couch potato, okay? And the last example. Let's go for the last example, okay? This is a dialogue. Look! There's a pig flying. Whoops, there's a pig flying. And the other one says, come on. You are pulling my leg. Pulling my leg. Does this really mean that the other person is pulling the leg, like in the leg? No, okay? Pulling my leg means that you are lying to me. You are lying to me. You are telling me something that is not true, okay? So here we have some examples of idioms. You are pulling my leg, a couch potato, that is not my cup of tea, it's raining cats and dogs, and a piece of cake. So now what do you need to do? Okay, you have to go to page 104. And there you have exercise A. In exercise A, you have 6 different sentences. So you need to copy those sentences in your notebook, okay? And try to find out the idioms, okay? So, for example, I'm going to do exercise number 1. He visits us only once in a blue moon. And then we have in brackets rarely. Rarely. Okay? So we need to try to find out in the sentence what means rarely. What means rarely in this sentence? He visits us only once in a blue moon. So the idiom is once in a blue moon. Okay? And once in a blue moon means Rarely. Okay? Not very often. So this is what I want you to do. Okay? If you have any problem, you can tell me. Okay? Bye bye, everyone.